Hi, all. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Hi, sir. Good evening.
So myself, Rohan. So I will be the ITGC and the SOX trainer.
Okay.
So can I know briefly about yourself?
So this is Amar.
Okay.
I do have work experience around like 8+ years. I'm
Okay.
into completely digital marketing.
Okay.
But I'm in plan to switch my career. So that is the reason I'm here. I just want to know how it will works and what is the probability of getting jobs on what basis, or like how much competition we are having and what are the packages. I just want to know about.
Yes. Yes. Sure, Amar. Sure. Thanks for your introduction. So we'll be going to see all the things.
Sure. Okay.
Uh. So the next person is Ram Babu. Umesh, Vidhi.
Uh, yeah, hi. Actually, I attended earlier with the class with you that was in Telugu, so I was looking for English classes. So my name is
Okay.
Sumesh, and I'm having 12 years of experience in quality assurance, mainly software testing and automation side. So I'm looking to switch to IT auditing role, and looking forward to know like what all will be needed to make a career transition.
Okay. Okay. Sure. Vidhi.
Yes. Hi, all. So
Hi.
I'm Vidhi, and compared to all of you, I have very less experience. So I have about 2.5 years of experience in audit, as in that was financial audit. So I come from a CA background, and
Okay.
I've already made my transition to IT audit about 6 months ago. So I transferred within departments into IT audit, but I'm not getting that kind of work, or like that work exposure. I'm not getting to learn more about SOX or SOC 1, SOC 2 currently. So I joined this class hoping that I would get that knowledge and I can probably switch organizations faster.
Yes. Yes. Vidhi, thanks for your introduction and nice to meet you all. So for the basic guys, like we will discuss about the small things today. So first thing, we will see the what is about the audit. Okay. So how many people what know the IT audit?
Yeah, like I know the basics are related to that. Like in the IT audit, we test the control to assure that all the effectiveness of the control, and
Okay.
do the gap analysis to understand what is the control, and are we following the same or not. Example can be a segregation of duties, where we have different roles and levels, who is making changes that the same person should not approve and merge the code to the production. So that kind of things we are like just kind of assurance and ensuring that all the process and procedures and controls are followed, and the effectiveness of the control.
Yes, yes. See, so much. I think you will be having up the background of the IT audit from the totally. So the first thing, the basic thing, what we need to understand the first, like as from the Vidhi, we come to know she's from the CA background, and the audit mainly when we have spell the word, when you have used the word of the audit, the first people they will be coming to know So what is an audit? Like they will ask the first thing, you are the CA background. No, we are not from the CA background, so we are doing the IT audit. But the people don't know about this of the IT audit technology and what we are using that ITGC. Okay. So the technology what we are implementing in our audit, it is a ITGC that we are saying it as a IT audit. IT audit is nothing but information technology audit. Okay. So the general basic question, the audit. Okay, so the question goes to Vidhi. Here, the audit means like in the CA background, what you will be doing in the audit, Vidhi?
So audit is basically examination and verification of evidences or records or you can say statements. So we from financial audit point of view, we generally audit financial statements or what is called balance sheet and profit and loss. And from what my little knowledge I have is that about IT audit is that IT audit is basically auditing the information technology part of a company, or you could say the IT controls which are in place in a company.
Okay. And so it is not the question for Vidhi. So for all the members, I am asking, so why audit is required? Uh, so guys, please be unmute. Please
So
free talk to
yeah.
free.
So
Okay. So there is no any like the faculty. So like be the colleagues. So we will enjoy our training sections. Okay. Is there any doubt also? It's no problem, no worries. It's any silly doubt also. It is okay.
okay, generally they will do audit, maybe so whether they are using updated softwares or licensed versions. I mean, like, so basically third party, some softwares will be dependent on third party, right? So whether
Yes.
they are using the correct softwares or licensed versions, something kind of that, as per my knowledge.
Okay. From
If
any
If they are
other?
not, sorry.
Yes, Amar. It is okay. So, but it is a 1/4 part of the audit. Okay. It's not
Okay.
the third party applications. Yes. So the 100% we will check the third party applications as beyond the audit when they are using of the our own company when they are using their applications. It is okay. So not for only the other applications. We need to check for our own things, right? Own company, how it is behaving.
Okay.
Audit should be done to test the efficiency and to mitigate the risk to achieve the organization level goals.
Okay. So any other person having any idea about the audit?
And audit can be done on the people, process, and technology.
Okay. See, like let's move on to the practical side. Okay. All of you can see the screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
yes. So let's go into the one practical way of the thinking why we need to do the audit for the IT organizations. Okay. So suppose take one of the company as a manufacturing company or any product based company or any other companies. Okay. So for the easy understanding, we will take the manufacturing company that is a automotive manufacturing company. When we went for the automotive manufacturing company, so how many guys went for the car showroom, guys?
Yes.
So how many guys went for the car showroom till now? So the first thing,
Yes.
what is the process? What they will be doing there?
So first they will collect the customer details, and they will check for the expression of interest on which uh, car we are interested, and the fuel type, what kind of fuel type we are looking for, and the budget of the customer, for what budget they are looking. So all those details they
Okay.
will be.
So the first thing when we enter into the car showroom, the sales guy will take you into the showroom. Okay. The sales guy, he will welcome you and he will take the seat and he will explain all the things, sir. Okay, what you are taking and what the things you are looking on the which model and what is your budget. This is the first. Okay, this is the first interaction with the customer for that product. Okay, so the first thing when the customer entered into the car showroom, the sales guy has received the customer and he is saying about all the details, and the business will be starting from here. Okay, so as the business, when the business is starting from the here, okay, if the customer likes the car, okay, what he will say to the sales guy, okay, let's go to the finance department, I need to the finance guy. So when I need to meet the finance guy, before to the going to the finance guy only, the sales department, he will be gathering with the finance department. Before to that, he will be asking the few questionnaires. Okay, how much loan you need to take or the any how much down payment, they will explain all the things. Okay, when they have entered into the finance department, and it will, the process will be getting closed, and the customer will be getting the car, and they will be explaining that there is no stock available. After the 3 months we can produce the car to you, we can give the car to you. Okay, now if you sell, now you have ordered today, the car will be getting within the 3 months. Okay, when we have ordered the car, customer ordered the car, here the part of the customer, it is completed. Okay, suppose 3 months the customer is accepted. Okay, some people will be there, they will be requesting for, sir, I need for the within 20 days. So there is any some function they need to give, or there is some emergency, or there is some any personal issues, sir, I want to the car between the 1 month, you can give to me. So this is the first thing. And the second thing, another second customer, when the second customer enter into the showroom, he will be saying that, okay, sir, for the 2 months it is okay. For the third person, what he have, the first person will be the third person. When he have entered, he accepted for the 3 months. He have taken the sign and he have completed all the formalities and he gone. So the first customer business is completed for the 3 months. Okay. So here, how many departments are interlinking, guys? One is customer. He is the customer of that business. Without the customer, there is no business. This is the one thing. And the next, when he entered into the car showroom, how many departments? There are the two departments. One is sales department is meeting with the customer. Another is the finance department. They are meeting with the customer. So these are the two departments till now customer is facing. After that, there is a process to build the car in from the automotive manufacturing, from the industry to manufacturing unit to car showroom. We need to get the car. There will be the process. Suppose customer has given for the 3 months and he have paid the bill and all the formalities has completed. Okay, they have taken the names. The next process where it need to go, they need to update to the industry. So and so persons for this date, they asked the car. We need to produce the car. Suppose what they will do, the next department is the inventory. Okay. So inventory is a nothing but it is a storage, guys. Like it is a stock. Okay. Keeping of to the stock storage. Suppose inventory people will say within the 3 months, we can't produce this model. So we can't produce, inventory people is saying to the sales guy, we can't produce this 3 model. How you have told to the customer within 3 months, you can give this model to the customer. So this is the one business damage is occurring here. This is the where after the two departments, when we are going to the inventory department, we come to know There is no car availability after 3 months also. So now what is the next step, guys, from your side? What you will think? So we are not into the ITGC or any IT audit. It is a general business explanation how we need the audit. So from your side, what is the purpose, guys? So please don't be mute. Speak anything.
Yeah. So first we have to find the root cause basically. Where is
Okay.
the getting damaged, and what is the scenario? How can we solve? Instead of providing it, is there any alternative? Can we check like that? I mean, we can't lose the customer, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
we can probe the customer. This is like one way, or else we can recommend some other option like color or in some other ways like that. And even like the customer is not willing, and what we can do, what are the
Yes.
chances we are having. So
See,
like that.
so that is a generic customer, okay, explanation. When we are trying to explain the customer, the first of all, he will shout on us. Why you have accepted on that day? If you are accepting today, like I will, if you are not accepting, I will go to the other showroom. Why it is happening here? This is the one thing. Okay. Suppose he will ask how much time it will take. Okay. It will take for the so much long time also. If you need to build the car, it will take the so much time. If he sales guy need to go to the inventory, from the inventory people, they need to go to the finance. Why they are going to the finance means if they need to build the stock, okay, so they need to take the car from the industry also. They need to give the some amount. Okay, the finance team need to release the some amount to build the new manufacturing car. Okay, new car. So from the finance, there will be the HR processes. In every organization, there will be the HR processes. Okay. By closing of all departments, we are trying to pull all departments and there is an interlinkage with each department. Okay. It is a manufacturing industry. We have taken as an example. In the manufacturing industry also, we will be having the IT organization. Inside the manufacturing industry, we will be having the small IT organization. Okay. So without any IT, there will not be any companies. Okay. This is the first thing we need to remember in our mind. So there is a daily business going on. Okay. So when the daily business continually it is moving on, when we are losing the customer, our market capital value will be getting down. This is the first loss we are seeing in our organization. And the second thing, the customer who trusted us, he will not trust in the another day, and he will not do the marketing for any other friends or relatives or any colleagues. He will not take into our showroom. They will say first for the 3 months and they will call us after the 3 months or sorry sir, it was late and it was delayed for the 4 months. After the 5 months you will get the car. So we are losing the business. When we are losing the business, the main organization bonus is nothing but ceo is chief executive officer. He don't know what all are happening here. Okay, how he will know? He will not understand these all the technical things. If he is a technical person and the business person and the managing person, on the time only he will get to understand all these things. Before to that, he will not understood all the things. This is the one scenario for the business loss. If he lost one customer, if the car is price is 10 lakhs and the manufacturing price is 8 lakhs, we have lost 2 lakhs. If we are doing the same thing for the 10 years, for the 1 year, we will approximately, we will lose like 10 lakhs, okay, by 10 cars. So 10 lakhs into 10, how much? Per year, we are losing of the 10 lakhs. It will be the approximately once year it will be. So these the generic example of the one business. Okay. And the next, coming to, as before going to the audit, we will discuss another generic example. Okay. So we have started one company, guys. Let's be named as a XYZ or ABC. When we started as a company, it as a startup. Our capital market value, what we are investing, it is a 50 lakhs. We are starting at a 50 lakhs. We have started at one location, one base location. It might be Chennai or Hyderabad or Bangalore and any metropolitan city. So when we have started this, our employees will be 100 to 200. Okay, 100 to 200. So when the employee is 100 to 200 in our base location, we will be going to office daily. We will be managing all the people and we will be taking as a startup and we will be getting up the few projects from other clients. Okay, like 3 or 4 projects or 10 projects or 15 projects. We will be based on their skills we have recruited and we will be starting with our startup and we have business and our startup company runs successfully. And the next, we have started in the first company, it is started in the Chennai, and the next we will be starting at the Hyderabad. It is a second location. There is a 200 employees. There is a 300 employees joined in the Hyderabad. Like how we are getting the more clients and the more project and the more work. So we are converting into the more locations and we are recruiting the more people. In the Hyderabad, 300. In the Chennai, 200. In the out of 200 and the 300, there are the 500 employees from the Chennai and the Hyderabad. And the next, we have succeed more. Now the startup become of the middle company. It's not a MNC. It's not a startup. It's in the middle-based company. Now, when we have entered into the another location, it's a based out of the Bangalore location. In the Bangalore, there are the 200 employees. The total employees of our company is 700 employees. We have invested our capital income with this 50 lakhs when we have started. Now it's the market value is by based out of the 3 locations, it is a 1.5 to 2 CR now. So what we have invested, it got doubled. Okay. So 1.5 as we are thinking it is a profit. Why? We are getting the more clients and the more projects and the more projects we are doing and we are paying the salaries and out of that we need to see the profit. But as per the public, they will be saying it as a capital invest and now it was growth increased to 1.5 CR. When it is increased to 1.5 CR, the first thing, when we have started in the Chennai, we can manage the 200 employees or not, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Sorry, sir, could you repeat the last part?
Yes. See, the first when we have started the company in the Chennai as a startup, there are the 200 employees are in the company. We can manage the 200 employees, right, from our side. There will be the departments. Okay, there will be the finance department and the HR department, other payrolls department, and the based on the managers we will be keeping and the team leaders and the based on their designations and the based on their experience, we will be giving the designations. As a CEO, as you are the owner of the company and chief person of the company of your organization, you can manage the 200 employees or not. Like you don't have any other locations, Hyderabad and the Bangalore. Till now, it not got started. Assume before starting, you are having totally 200 employees. You can manage the 200 persons or not.
Yes, I guess.
See, yes, you can. Why I am saying as a yes. When you are managing the 200 employees, you will be keeping the managers as a 10 managers. Under the 10 managers, suppose you will be giving the 20 resources under the managers. So they will be working as a 20, as a teamwork. Like you can give the managers as a 15 and you can divide the other employees into this. So you can check with the managers what work is happening in your organization and all the things. You can check the daily status also. And the what are the projects from your side? Who are the persons? You can spend your time 1.5 hour for your organization. Why? It need to be more increased to be the MNC. Now Wipro and the Infosys, before the MNCs, it is also startup only. It's not directly become the MNCs. They have worked a lot and they have now it is a big MNCs in the world. So here now, if you are managing the 200 employees and the next into the, we have based out of the Hyderabad and the Bangalore location, it's a totally increased count is including of the Chennai, 700 employees. Now managing of the 700 employees, it is a big difficult task or not?
Yes, it is
Yes.
difficult.
Yes.
So when it is a big difficult task, suppose we are into some other works, we will not be concentrating on the business part. We will be assigning the directors and the MDs and the based on their hierarchy in our organization. The stabilizing part will be going on. They will be concentrating on their business and the projects they need to organize to people. Okay, we will be on the other side supporting of the other, taking of the big clients and going to other companies and the other clients. We will be introducing ourselves and we are from the part of this company. I am the CEO of this. If you require any support from us, these are the solutions we are doing. So we will be making the business from one side. What is the current business? The current business is nothing but what are the projects is currently running in our organization. It should be delivered to the client with the 100% quality. If you have delivered 100% quality only, from the next year, the client will come to the same vendor. If you are not delivering, how the client will choose us again? They will not choose us. Okay. So like this, if there are the 700 employees, we can't manage. Okay. When there is a 200 or 150 members, we can see what are the projects who are working, who are the people, from the people who are the managers, under the managers who are the resources working for them. We can see all the things. Okay. This is the one case. Here, I think you are getting, you are understanding it, why audit is required now. You got the main point from my scenario, what I am explaining to you guys.
Yes, sir.
If you're having any doubts, feel free to ask me. The first thing we need to understand the concept, guys. After the understanding of the concept only, we can move into the any technical part. Before not understanding the concepts, if you have directly move into the technical part, it will be the issue for us. The first basic scenario, if any company, any IT organization is based upon the business, their business, without their business, they can't pay to their employees. So till now you got understood, guys.
Yes, sir.
So from here, when we have started our startup, it is a 50 lakhs from our own investment. And by the profit, it was included as a 1.5 CR. And the next thing, what we will do, guys. So from the business mind, what we will be thinking means, as a startup, we have invested, we are in the good way, and we will make into the public. Okay. We will be going the keeping in the stock market. Okay. I think all of the members will know about this stock market and the shares and all the things. Okay. When we have kept our organization in this stock market or the share investors, something, okay, our company has government recognized and it went to the stock market and the public can invest in our organization, we will be keeping our share as the starting will be the 100 or 150 each share. Okay, we are not at growth. The customers or the public people, they need the trust on their organization, on our organization. Without the trust, anyone can't invest it. Okay, suppose there are the for this financial year, including take it as a 23 to 24 financial year, from April to March, there are like we got from the share market, it is a like 3 cr to 4 cr. Okay, so when we have got investing from the share market 3 cr to 4 cr, what we will do, so we will be taking that money and after the financial year we will be saying it as a our profit has increased more. Okay, if the person has invested 2 lakhs for the profit, we will show our organization has got profit. That's why your share has increased from 2 lakhs to 4 lakhs. Within 1 year, he got the 2 lakhs. What he will do for this financial year also, he will invest a huge amount. If he invested the huge amount, suppose 10 lakhs he invested, he will got the more amount for the next year. If the company works good, if the company is in the profit, he will get the profit based on their shares, what they invested. This is the one thing. And the next third year, okay, in this share, I am getting more. I will try to invest a huge amount. He will try to invest the 25 lakhs. For the next financial year, when they are saying it is our company has a loss. So your share market has came down. Okay. How much it became down? It is went for the minuses. Okay. What he have invested 25 lakhs, it went for the minus. He can't take the single rupee from that organization. Okay, what this organization people will do, so they will thought it as a money, so we got the money, so we will say that to our employee there is no projects, we people we are you are getting relieved from our organization. Okay, so the startup owner, what he will think, what I thought, I got the enough amount from my side, I got the 50 cr to 60 cr, I can easily settle my life, I can easily enjoy for the next, for this generation. There is no any requirement from side. I am enough of this money. So he will close this company. Okay, without any orders or the anything. What court will they will go to the court? They will take the any legal actions. If they have taken the legal actions also, they will release the some amount. If you have invested the 25 lakhs, they will pay. Sir, we don't have, our company has got the loss. Our reports are gone missed and all the things. We don't have any evidences from our side. We will say that I don't have anything. They will submit as a 2 lakhs to him. When he have filed the case, for 25 lakhs, he have submitted the 2 lakhs. If the person who invested the 2 lakhs, what he will get? He will get the 0 rupee. So here the organization has cheated the public, right? When the organization is getting cheated the public, how public will trust? So this is the one fraud business in the world before audit comes. Audit is occurring in every organization, okay, in every time. The CA people will be doing the financial audits and all the things. But why IT audit is required? Why the auditors are required for the IT organization? So now you got the scenario for the audit, why we need to do the audit?
Yes, sir. To ensure there is no fraud.
Sorry?
To ensure there is no fraud process is going on.
Yes. Amar, Geetesh, Leela,
Yes, we understood.
Vidhi.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes.
Uh, so You're right, like to make sure that there is no fraud or there is no fraudulent activity basically in our audit terms. We conduct audit, right? But how does IT audit really impact the organization? So I know the financial part, when we analyze the financial statements, or basically when we audit the financial statements, we get to know a picture of the company and its financial viability, right? Whether a company can run for another 5 years or not. But how does IT audit really impact it?
Okay. See, as how the IT audit is impacted, right? For the next topic, we will be discussing it. So for till now, you got the clarity, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes. So here, the basic thing what we have understood for any organization, fraud should not be happen. If the fraud should not be happen, who need to be concentrated for in every part? The CEO can't concentrate. We can't trust the directors or the MDs or the any higher persons also. If they have some money, they will do any fraudulent activities. Okay. Who will be lost? The main person who have started this company, he will be in the loss. Okay. So that's why every IT organization, there is a requirement of the auditors. That auditor, who are the auditors? Information technology auditors. Okay. For that auditors, there are the two types of auditors, guys, in this. One is internal auditor and another is external auditor. Okay. So what internal auditor will do and the external auditor will do? How many people know the big four company, guys? So they will be saying it as a PwC, EY, Deloitte, KPMG, Grant Thornton, and there are some few other companies based out of the India location also. How many people know, guys? These companies are the big four.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I know.
Deloitte,
Yes, I
KPMG.
know. Yeah.
Yes. So why they have named as a big four, guys?
They are the worldwide, they are like globally, they are the biggest four financial services organization.
Yes. Vidhi, like the part what you have told, it is a correct only. So why they have named as, see, for any CA auditing or any other forms, the external auditor, if they have signed in their report, it is a valid sign. For the signing also, they should be the applicable candidates. Okay. For the CA people, or they will be the some other certified public accountants. The people who are signing the report, they will be the majority in their higher in their organization. They will be coming from the big four. Okay. So here why internal auditor is required and the other one is an external auditor is required. Before going to this internal auditor and the external auditor, okay, how we will do the audit in the IT organization? We have discussed here for the customer. Okay, the customer, when he is entering into the sales department, the sales guy will be introducing to the customer. Okay, so in the sales department, we will be using the few of applications, guys. Okay, any application like might be the Excel or any analysis application like Power BI or the Tableau. From the sales department, the salesperson will be using these sales applications. And after that, when they are using of the sales applications, when we have gone to the inventory, they will be using the Excel. Okay, in the inventory, what they will be having, how much stock we have for the next few months, how much it is completed, what is in store and what is out of store, how many days it will take for this model. All the details they will be managing in one application. And the next thing, finance people. For the finance, for the payrolls, as usually when we have entered into IT organizations, for the payroll, we will be seeing of the one or two applications. Okay, from the HR department, they will be using the few applications. So if the business is getting run, as we have gone, go back to the first example, what we have discussed from the manufacturing, before to the business class, when the customer enter into the showroom, when sales guy introduced to the customer. So here customer has finalized all the model what he want. The next thing, the sales guy can go to the inventory. Okay, he will check the inventory. So what the model you have asked, it is not available for up to 6 months, or it will take to the 6 months time. Before going to the person outside only, we can manage the customer. So this is the good model. Based on your suggestion, it will be the good. Now we can deliver within 1 hour. It is in our store. We can deliver within you 1 hour. So the now customer, if the mindset can be changed, he will be fixing to that. There is no any business loss based on the applications. Okay. And the next, finance, what they're paying, that is a finance. And the HR department, the HR department will be they will be managing all the departments, who the person they need to contact and all the things. They will be managing all the details of their employees. This is the one thing, guys. This is the small organization we will be thinking. In the small organization only, we will be seeing like 10 to 20 applications. Okay. Here, why sales department? Why they are using one application? They are using one application and they are entering to the customer details. When the customer details in the inventory also, the data, okay, suppose it's a one manufacturing automotive industry, the data will be going outside without any other person permission. That is a business risk, no, guys. If the data is going outside from the organization, there is a business risk or no?
Yes, there is a business.
Sorry?
Yes.
Yes,
So,
there is a business risk.
if there is a business risk, suppose I will take that report. I am from the same manufacturing automotive industry and I am the some higher official in that organization. I will take this report and I will show to the our higher marketing team and I will say that I see this for this industry they are having out of stock for 6 months. For this time we can introduce your cars within 6 months. We can produce so many cars. So based on that, when you are producing all the cars, if the information gone out, our business will be getting backdropped. Within 6 months, like the product will be getting raised. Nowadays, EV cars have become more powerful compared to this diesel and the petrol. So there is a financial data. We are auditing in that application. Okay. We are not auditing the financial data. Okay. Financial data is nothing but the count. We are not valuing the auditing the based on the numbers. What the CA people will do the audit. We will not do the type of the audit. We will take the application. Okay. The application is performing good or not. It's giving the enough performance or not. How they are securing their data. How they are maintaining their data. How their data is getting recorded, how the data is availability for the other people. Suppose from the sales department, he will go to the inventory department and the sales guy will be asking to the inventory team members the data. So, sir, please check this model like A300 from the any company, car company like Ford or the Kia. So please check this model, sir. It is available or not. If he is saying, sir, please give me some time. Like there is a server down issue, it will take the 1 hour. The sales guy will wait. It's a job. His job is completed. He have entered into the showroom and he have met the customer. He have explained all the details. But where we are lagging from the inventory team, we are getting lagged. The customer, what we all say, why we need to wait the 1 hour? You can't say the model is available or not. We will go to the another showroom or we will go to the another car company. As a priority, we have came today, sir. This is the first thing we need this model. Now we have changed our mindset and we are going to the another Ford company. As the first priority, we have choose to select the Kia. Now you are saying like this. So that's why for every application, there will be the financial data. It is a running by the business only. So audit is important for every IT organization and their business is also important. Why their business is important? Now we can see this scenario. The customer is going out in front of our eyes. So here audit is required or not, guys?
Yes, it is required.
How the performance will be based on the applications. Okay, what we will check, what applications they are using, how the performance they are utilizing of their applications, how they are monitoring, how their services are working. We need to check. Who will check? As the auditors, we will check all these things. As Somesh said that we will check out the gap, something quality and the gap remediations and all the things he have discussed. We will do these all the things. So from the sales to inventory, there is a one application, it is a linkage. Their interface is getting slow. Okay, you need to improve your process, sir. When you have improved your process, it will become from 5 minutes to from 7 minutes to 4 minutes, sir. You will be reducing 3 minutes time, sir, from this process. What I have observed from from this application, we will test each application and we will confirm to the management. These are the testing results from our side. These are the process recommendations from our side and the gaps from our side, what you are facing and what you are lagging in your organization. This is the IT audit role.
Correct, correct.
Okay, so from this IT audit role, we are having the two types of auditors, that is the internal auditor and the external auditor. In every organization, when we are doing the audit, there will be the one internal auditor and the another external auditor. What internal auditor will do? He will test all the applications and he will give the report to the external auditors. What external auditors will do? They will test all the applications. What we have tested, they will review our testing results, and after that, they will test separately. Their requirements will be the different. Okay, they will test all the details and they will be showing to the management. So these are the gaps from your organization. We have chosen the financial applications in your organization, and we have founded the two few gaps from these applications and the few process improvements for this. We have requested to the management to update this. We are signing in this report. After the management will be reviewing the report, only the external auditor will be reviewing the report. Okay, so why this report is very important, guys, means suppose I told right from the sales we are having one application and the inventory we are having one application. In that sales, it will be the financial data and the inventory will be financial data. If the persons, if the any employees will be doing any fraudulent activities in that application, they will show the market. These organization people will show the market value as by mistakenly 3 crores profit, and for the next year they are showing it as a zero value. Who will be getting loss, guys? The employees who are working in the company, they will not get the loss. Who will be investing, who are the stakeholders investing in their organization, they will be getting loss. How they will trust? By seeing their reports and their solutions, how the company is working, how the organization is working. We can invest in this organization or not, how the what solutions they are offering to the clients, what technologies they are using. They, when we are investing in the shares, the first thing we will see the before 2 years market capital value and the how much it is getting increased. We will see all the things. This is the first thing. And the next thing, if it is any IT organization, we are keeping what technologies they are using. Now the technologies, based on this, now the popular most technologies, AI, artificial intelligence. So based on this, how the solutions they are offering to other clients, how they are working. So all the things we need to see. If there is any single mistake in any application, if any from the single person, it will be the majority loss for the organization. Who establishes the company, he will not discuss all the things. He don't have time to discuss also. He is in the other part of the business. By grow, he will be seeing the grow the business only with the taking with the other clients. So from this scenario, you are having any doubts, guys?
No, sir.
No, sir.
You understood the concept, right?
Yes.
So guys, like based on the salaries and the discussions and the job openings, okay. So in every organization, we will be having this audit role, guys. Okay. And the salary based on our experience, if it might be the 2 years and the 3 years or the 4 years, you will be getting the package about the 10. Okay. If you have joined in the big four company, if you have knowledge, if you can crack their interview, you will be getting more than 10 only. The basic starting package will be from the 7 guys now. From the two, for the 2 years of experience, they will be giving it from the 7. If it is a small organization, it is not a big four also, our package value will be the 7 LPA. It is starting. And the comparing to the job call or any Naukari calls or anything, okay, for the job interviews or anything, we will be getting calls. There is no any risk for this job, guys. So suppose we can take it as an example for this developer or the something coding. Now we are getting the AI tools. For this auditing, we will not get the AI tools, guys. Why we will not get the AI tools means, suppose Wipro has followed the one process, when going to the Infosys, they will follow the another thing. There is no standardization process for every organization and the standardized projects they are doing and the any same applications they will be using. There are the few technologies, SAP like any other technologies, they will be using the only the some. There will be the so many applications in any every organization. So there is no crash for this with the AI. I can give the 100% guarantee on this. And the next thing, there is no any disadvantage on this for this when we are converting into the coming into this course. When we are expecting of the high packages also, if you are eligible to crack the interviews in the big four, if you are having of the basic salary package like 3 to 4, you can ask them to, it will be going beyond upon the 12 to 13. As I will give the one example, one of my colleague, okay, he is my near friend. First, he have joined in the some other company, okay. When he have joined is a package, it has a 15. He have changed it into the another company, it entered into the 30. Now, directly he got a chance by God's grace in the Emirates. Now his package is 80. Now he is working in India. You will think in India, 80 lakhs, it is a good. Without going to any other countries also.
Definitely, sir.
So these the we are having more opportunities. Okay. There is no any calls background like any calls dropout or any other things. We will be having any this audit role will be having in every organization. So from your side, any doubts? Like these, the first class guys, we have discussed about only the scenario topics, why audit is required. We did not enter into the any ITGC, what you have seen in the course title, SOX SOX. We will enter into the tomorrow section. And this we have seen the today basic scenario, why audit is required. What are the scenarios we will be seeing in the IT organization? The next class, we will be going to discuss on the pure technical.
So in this class also ITAC, GDPR and ISO related topic will be discussed.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
See, Somesh, for the ISO related, see, ITGC and the ISO will be the same thing. Compared to the ITGC, ISO, it is a based on the quality audits. Okay. So they will be having the more controls. in ISO. We will see in the boardings in our organization, these the ISO certified company. For anything, they will be mentioning ISO something 97001 into 2015 certified company.
Okay. And we will be looking for frameworks also like POBIT and NIST.
Yes, we'll be looking all the things also and the COVID. Okay, so I will show the course details once. So this is our course details. The first thing will be the demo, and the next thing will be the SOX introduction, and the third class will be the ITGC. So, and the next, these are the 4, 5, 6, and the 7. This is the main technical part of the IT audit. Okay, here we will be getting all the things as a theoretically, and the next up to 14, okay, up to 12 it will be the theoretical, and the 13th will be the one test we will be doing, and the next 14th and the 15th, 16th, 17th are the theoretical concepts. 18th will be the real-time experience, how the projects will start from, how it will begin, how it will end. As per the one financial year, completely what we will be doing for the clients. Here we will be learning. And the 19th, it's a more scenario real-time example. We will be doing audit for one application. That the application is the SAP. SAP, for the SAP application we will be doing. So we will be having the more 3 real-time scenarios. One is 13th one, it's a worksheet or the test sheet, what we need to test, how we need to do the audit, it is a 13th step. And coming to the 18th one, project, how it begins. When audit needs to start, what are the prerequisites, what we will do in the middle of the audit, and coming to the end of the audit, what are the things we will be do. What in the organization, what we will do, the basic, the same thing you will see in my screen. Okay, I will submit the all the materials. We are having all the materials. I will submit, I will give the materials to all members. Okay, and the next, this is the 19th, we will do the audit for one application, and we will learn about the basics of ITAC, guys. Now we are discussing about the ITGC, and the next basic of ITAC controls, what is the ITAC and the controls. And the next is interview questions. We will discuss about the interview questions. So this is our course details. You will, I think you can check anywhere in the any other institutes also. The people who will be doing the taking these audit sections, they will be saying that can say the only the theoretical concepts. We can't present the real time scenarios. We can't show the projects what we are doing. But here we are frankly saying that I can show the project what we are doing. From the starting to ending, how we will do the audit based upon the what the information theoretically we have learned the before classes. We will doing practically in the 18th and the 13th step.
Phone, tano phone. Na phone. Open chicken. Jesus. Even not just copy his phone. I don't know.
Sir, I have one question.
Okay.
Will you be explaining? So there is access management, change management, and incident management, right? So
Yes.
will you be explaining that with examples as well, as in
Yes. So
a
when
real?
moving to the access management, under the access management, we will be having the there are the vertical domain. Under the domain of the access management, we will be having the 7 to 8 controls. Okay. Under the
Okay,
taking of the 7 to 8 controls, we will be taking the generic scenarios and the real-time scenarios.
okay.
Suppose for the example, if you have taken the one application, like you have taken the Zoom application, if you have entered into this access to this application, you need to have the meeting invite. When the one meeting invite, you need to have the passcode. This is the one thing. Without the passcode, you can't enter into this meeting room. So how they have given the access, what is the process for that application when they are giving the access, they are following these standards based on their organization or not. We will be checking all these things as a real-time scenarios. In the interview, what the questions we will be getting based on the interview. So suppose we have completed the access management domain, we will discuss about the all the 8 controls what are in the access management with the interview questions. And they will be the mock sections in the between the classes only.
So will we do mock interviews also?
Yes.
So it will be just you, or like there will be 2, 3, so that we are not like a particular view, or
Sorry.
just wanted to check, there will be multiple faculty which will take the interview, so we get a like overall idea about how we are performing.
No, for the mock interviews also, I will be taking the mock interview section. Suppose from Monday to Thursday, there will be the classes. The Friday will be the mock interview section. Suppose we have completed from Monday to Thursday one topic, the next Friday class will be the mock interview section, guys. So as we are discussing about the theoretical topics, we should not forget about the theoretical what we are discussing previously. So when we have taken the mock interviews, so you will be remembering the questions and what you have listened and what you need to prepare in the future. You will be getting understood. So I will give the 100% guarantee wherever you go, you will not get this much details based on this audit course. And the real-time scenarios and the materials. And the big thing and the first thing is the project, what we are providing. And the second thing is materials. For this audit, when you have got the job, guys, I'm saying frankly, so this much easy. Comparing to other technologies, it will be very easy, guys.
I need to ask one question, but off the record.
Yes, okay, sure. Any questions from others? Feel free to ask, guys. There is no any issue. There is no anything. Okay.
Sir, approximately how long does this class go on for? So I read that there are about 40, I don't
5
really
days.
remember. Yeah, 45, right. 45 days. So it's from Monday to Friday.
Yes, yes. Monday to Friday, and the class timings will be 9 to 10 p.m. It's a night time,
Okay,
and there will not be any sections from the Saturday and Sunday.
okay, okay. And so it
If you
goes
people
on for
required, I will
about two
support you.
months.
If you people required, I will support you when you have joined in the institute. So you will be having my number. You can contact in any time for any doubt or for any query also. I will be supportive person for you.
Okay, okay, sir. And sir, in case if we miss out on any lecture because of our work, is there any way we can recover it as an
The classes will be getting recorded daily basis.
okay,
And
okay,
you will be having the institute link and they will be uploading in their portal. You can see it's a lifetime access they will be providing to you.
okay, okay, sir. Okay,
You can use these recording videos and you can listen all the things what you have missed if you are in the work.
okay, right.
But my priority, please be alert for the 9 to 10 p.m. when you are listening the class. Why means
Yes,
if it is a
right.
theoretical, if you have any doubt in the class only, we can clear as soon as possible.
Correct, correct. Actually, it is March month, right? And there's little bit of workload in office. So I might miss out on a few lectures in the last week of March. That is why I was asking.
See, as you are saying, it is a March. As I am from the IT auditor, it is also for the March requirement. I need to submit the report to the management.
Yes, okay.
There will be the some priority works and the some priority meetings. You can understand it. Okay, you can do it. No problem.
Yes.
Recordings will be there. Gitesh, how much experience can we manage? See, guys, when you have joined here, you can manage from the 1 year to it might be the 15 years of experience also. I will touch all the basic parts of all the things in the audits in the IT organizations, what we will be doing. And we will discuss in the final day, we will discuss about the IT organization, how they will start their business, how their network will be implemented, how their systems will be getting with the connecting with the network, what we need to do the audit, how we want to do the audit for those systems, how the IT management will be managing their organization, how the HR will be managing this. We will go through all the organization. So I think there is no any other questions from Amar, Leela.
So not as of now. So like whatever explained is understood. So my question is, see, as I said, like I'm into digital marketing completely, like this is a career switch for me.
Okay.
So how hard it is to grab a job in the market? So
See,
any,
Amar, like basically from the marketing side, see, suppose when one scenario from the marketing side, what we will discuss, what we will see. From the marketing side, suppose when you're taking any application or any other things, there will be the any financial data in any other departments also. You are thinking that how I need to switch the field. Okay, so when we are discussing in the classes, we will compare all the things.
Mhm. Okay.
Okay, there is no any big difficult task, Amar. We are not using any rocket science topics here. It is a generic topics. Who knows the English, they can
Mhm.
understand this.
Okay.
Uh,
Got it. Got it. Yeah. Thank you.
Leela,
Yes, hi. As of now, I don't have any doubts. Today is a demo session itself now. So from tomorrow on, definitely.
okay, fine.
Yeah.
So, can we meet tomorrow, guys?
Uh, um, Sir, actually, I wanted to check one question of the records.
Yes.
Recording.